Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. On this channel, we help you speak English confidently in real-life situations. Today's topic is very important and very practical. We're going to learn English with a traffic officer. Many people feel nervous when they talk to a traffic officer, but if you know the right English sentences, you can speak calmly and confidently. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you are on the road right now. You are driving or riding a bike. A traffic officer signals you to stop. Let's practice what the officer may say and how you can reply. Number 1. Please stop your vehicle. Number 2. Good morning, officer. Number 3. Is there any problem? Number 4. May I know the reason? Number 5. I was following the traffic rules. Always stay polite and calm. Now the officer asks for documents. Listen and repeat. Number 6. Please show me your driving license. Number 7. Here is my driving license. Number 8. This is my vehicle registration. Number 9. I have my insurance papers. Number 10. All my documents are valid. More useful sentences. Number 11. I keep my documents in my wallet. Number 12. Let me take them out. Number 13. Please wait a moment. Number 14. Here you go. Number 15. Is everything okay? Speaking clearly helps avoid confusion. The officer explains the problem. Here are common sentences. Number 16. You jumped the red light. Number 17. You were driving too fast. Number 18. You were not wearing a helmet. Number 19. You did not wear a seatbelt. Number 20. You parked in a no parking area. Now your polite responses. Number 21. I'm sorry, officer. Number 22. I didn't realize that. Number 23. It won't happen again. Number 24. I will be more careful. Number 25. Please forgive me this time. Never argue aggressively. Now the officer talks about the fine and challan. Repeat after me. Number 26. You have to pay a fine. Number 27. How much is the fine? Number 28. Can I pay it online? Number 30. Can I pay it now? Number 31. Please issue the receipt. Important sentences. Number 31. This is an official fine. Number 32. You will receive a message. Number 33. Please follow the rules next time. Number 34. Your license will not be seized. Number 35. You are free to go now. Always ask for a receipt. Sometimes there are special situations. Practice these sentences. Number 36. My license is at home. Number 37. I forgot my documents today. Number 38. I am going to the hospital. Number 39. This is an emergency. Number 40. Please allow me to go. More useful responses. Number 41. I understand the rules. Number 42. Thank you for explaining. Number 43. I respect traffic laws. Number 44. Safety is important. Number 45. I will follow the rules strictly. Respectful language always helps. Sometimes you talk as a pedestrian. Useful sentences. Number 46. Excuse me, officer. Number 47. Where can I cross the road? Number 48. Is this road closed? Number 49. Which way should I go? Number 50. Thank you for your help. Traffic English is not only for drivers. Good evening, officer. Is there any problem? You were driving too fast. I'm sorry, I will be careful next time. Practice these sentences aloud every day. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfect grammar. Now you know how to speak English with a traffic officer calmly and politely. Like this video, subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor, and comment below which sentence was most useful for you.